Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your FxPro app. You go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on trading settings here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to trade says in units. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here trade says in units disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.